My baby Lana. She's 8 months now. She's adorable. She's so tame now. Perfectly tame, but she's lonely. So I'm getting Banana ready to be her friend. I got her another friend, another cockatiel who was fully adult and fully tame. But the problem with that cockatiel was that he was so humanized, let's say. He hated her, he bullied her. So I didn't want to cause Lana any more distress. Um, he wanted all the attention. He didn't want us to pet Lana. So I had to rehome him, sadly. Um, Now Lana is even more lonely, even though the bully's gone. But I've got Banana upstairs being trained and tamed down. So hopefully, as soon as I get Banana checked by the vet, I'm going to introduce them to each other and they will be a happy couple, probably, or just friends. So that's the baby I've been taming a few months ago. You see, she's fully tame and friendly. My baby Lana. Okay, see you soon.